I'm meteorologist Todd Clausen. Thanks for joining us on HTSN. The big weather story today will be the humidity and then also the chance for showers and thunderstorms heading into the afternoon and evening hours. Take a look at high temperatures for the day yesterday. Today's going to be very similar to yesterday with a high of right around 86 degrees, 88 in Terre Haute, got up to 84 yesterday in Muncie. We had the humidity around. Well, today I think the only difference is we're going to add more showers and thunderstorms to the forecast, at least compared to yesterday. In fact, the storms do have the potential to be quite numerous heading into the afternoon and evening hours. And with this tropical air mass we are in, these storms could flare up pretty quickly. They'll produce those tropical-like downpours, and some of them, again, could be on the strong to severe side, with hail being the main threat. And the best chance of seeing those strong to severe storms will be across the northern part of the state of Indiana. The Storm Prediction Center does have a slight risk of severe weather out from about Lafayette to Kokomo over towards Marion, and then points to the north. Again, small hail and very heavy rainfall, which could lead to some localized flooding. The further south you are, storms may not be severe, but they could contain, again, some very heavy rains, which could lead to flooding in some of your neighborhoods. So these storms will be virtually possible at any point throughout the afternoon hours. Our high temperature gets up to 86 degrees. That's only a degree above average, but when you factor in the humidity, which is really at its highest point we've seen so far this year, it's going to feel like it's in the low to even mid-90s across parts of the area. And then again, these storms will be with us through about 8 o'clock, and then once the sun starts to set, which is at 9:15 later on this afternoon, or later on this evening rather, that's when I think we'll take most of these storms out of the forecast and just leave an isolated shower or two in overnight. So here's how it plays out on TrueCast. Again, these storms by the noon hour will probably be in northern parts of the state, and then they'll kind of blossom across the rest of central Indiana as we head into the 3 to 6 o'clock hour. You notice these bright shades of red. That's the very heavy rainfall. That's the best potential also of seeing the hail with these storms. And the storms are with us through your evening commute. And then again, once we get past the 9 o'clock hour, the sun starts to set. The storms really fizzle away. Yes, there could be a few showers overnight, but nothing severe. And then we'll flare up these storms once again tomorrow afternoon as the cold front makes its way through the state. And it's that cold front that'll finally start to break us from this pattern we've been in with the daily chance of showers and thunderstorms and the warm temperatures. So today up to 86 for the actual temperature. It'll feel like it's in the low 90s, and then overnight tonight temperatures will drop down into the 60s. And here's a look at your 7-day planning forecast. Again, as we go through the rest of the week, we'll get much cooler, drier air in here with temperatures in the 80s.